To wash some dishes in the sink.
Push this button right here. Push that button right there. Push that button.
There's a sink, bro, baby. You've been washing hands all day long. Lava.
Can you say sink?
Sink.
Yeah, I thought you might like that.
You want to wash some dishes in here, maybe?
What about this?
Look at this. Watch this wheel. Sadri, watch the wheel. See how the water does that? Oh. Water off. Better turn it back on. Better turn that
Turn the
faucet
bottom.
back on so we can get some water flowing through there.
Press it.
Sadri, press the button. Turn the water back on. Sadri. There you go. Woo!
Ah!
Turn it over that way too if you need to.
Oh.
Turn it over here, over there. Watch me turn it on the wheel. Watch this. Watch this.
Woo! Can you wash some dishes for Mom? Are you going to have some snacks?